Shakyamuni Buddha, you're speaking specifically to that individual who has realized Buddha. So Shakyamuni Buddha would be in reference to the historical Buddha that we often talk about and hear about in the sutras. But after Shakyamuni Buddha's enlightenment, one of the things that he taught all beings is that all sentient beings, all Junseng, have this nature. So in essence, I believe that if you want to know, is Buddha here and now? Of course, the Buddha is in the here and now, because it is the essence of all living things. And we're all trying to get in touch with that, in contact with that, except it's like a diamond in the rough. You can look at a diamond in the rough within the stone of a mountain or the rock, and you don't see it, yet it's there. Or another bangpyeon or metaphor is the white rabbit and the Snow Peak Mountain. You look from a distance and you say, oh, there's a rabbit over there. And another person looks and says, where? I don't see it. Right? So in essence, you have to go there and see it and experience it for yourself. Then you know.